Hey everyone, this is Chelsea from Microsoft Store. Today I'm here to tell you about Microsoft 365, what some of the best features are, and the different subscription options that are available. Microsoft 365 bundles your favorite productivity apps into one easy subscription, and you can choose a plan that's right for you or your whole family. It includes the apps that you use every day, like OneDrive and Outlook, as well as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and much more. And the best part is you can use them across all your devices, from your PC and Mac to your iOS and Android phone or tablet. You also get 1 terabyte of cloud storage with OneDrive, which is perfect to save, share, and back up your photos, videos, and files. All this space is enough to store 500,000 photos and an additional 30,000 documents. And remember, with the family plan, each person gets their own terabyte of cloud storage with OneDrive. Now let's take a look at some of the most innovative features in the Microsoft 365 subscription. One of the latest is Editor. Available in Word and in the Microsoft Edge browser as an extension, it helps you write like a pro by correcting spelling and grammar. And with your subscription, it does a lot more, like suggesting ways to make your writing more clear, concise, and inclusive. Editor is a useful tool for any writing you do, at home, for work, even in emails and social media posts. For subscribers in the US, another great feature is Money in Excel. It lets you securely import your financial data from all of your accounts into Excel, so you can plan personal and family budgets with everything in one place. With just a few clicks, you can sort transactions to view how much you spend on shopping, in restaurants, and much more. You may even find recurring subscriptions that you had forgotten about. Now let's take a look at my favorite time saver, PowerPoint Designer. It uses the power of AI to help you quickly design slides and suggest design ideas consistent with the theme of your presentation. That way, you can focus on content while PowerPoint takes care of the rest. With your Microsoft 365 subscription, you'll get even more design ideas and new features as they roll out, so it's easy to find a design that you'll love. Microsoft 365 has 2 subscription options, Personal and Family. Personal is just for you, and Family allows up to 5 additional people full access to subscription benefits using their own accounts. Either subscription can be used across multiple devices, and every person gets their own terabyte of OneDrive cloud storage for their own use. Microsoft 365 Family subscribers get additional benefits like location alerts and drive safety reports with the Microsoft Family Safety mobile app. There are a couple of ways of exploring Microsoft 365. You can try Microsoft 365 free for 1 month by visiting aka.ms/try-Microsoft-365, or subscribe now to an annual or monthly plan, which can both be set to renew automatically so you never miss a beat. Get your Microsoft 365 today from Microsoft Store and start enjoying the best apps and new features. That's it for me. Thanks for following along as I showed you what Microsoft 365 is, what apps and features it includes, and its available subscription options. This has been Chelsea from Microsoft Store, and thanks for watching.